Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Makes It. Ha! This is an amazing collaboration together with Claire's Crafty Corner. Thank you so much, Claire, for this opportunity. I'm so excited. Yay! And make sure you check the playlist that Claire has created, because there's going to be loads more creative souls making really cool stuff. So make sure you check it out. And on this video for the Easter collaboration, I'm gonna make a bunny. And it's a pouch and it's got chocolate. Oh, amazing. And here it is. And look. And he's got a fluffy tail. Oh, so cute. Oh, this is very exciting. Easter is coming, and thanks to Claire's Crafty Corner, there's a collaboration. Oh, and this is my first one, and I'm so looking forward to it and to see how many other creative minds are going to be joining in. So that's going to be exciting, and make sure you just check them all. Just check all of them, because they're going to be amazing. But what I'm going to do today, I'm going to create like a little bunny with felt. I've done a little drawing, because you know how much I like to draw and how much I like to do my little sketches before I create something. So it's going to look something like this, hopefully as cute as, and it's going to be like a little pouch to put chocolat. It's going to be like a little pouch to put chocolates in for your children, for yourself, whatever you want to do them for. And it's going to look cute. So I was thinking about what I was going to do for Easter, and then it hit me. I said, it's got to be something that contains chocolate. Oh yeah. And here it is. But let's stop faffing about and let me show you what you need and how we make it. Just follow me. Okay, now that we've got all our pieces all cut, what I'm going to do, this is going to be the back, and as you can see, split, because it's going to be the opening to put the sweets inside. So but what I'm going to do, I'm going to sew this little bit, so do it as tidy as possible on the edge, then put the wadding inside, and close it up, and I'm going to sew it together with the front. So I'm going to sandwich everything, but first of all, let's do this and then we get on with the rest. Okay, now the two backs are done. Woo, woo, woo. What I'm going to do, I'm going to sandwich it all together and then sew it, all the different layers together. Oh, that's exciting. So let me put them together. I've also trimmed a little bit of the wadding as well, just to make it slightly shorter than the felt, so we can sandwich it together and sew it better. Oh, exciting. finished sewing all these bits, the little ears and the body and the little feet. I have some pink felt, so I'm gonna do all the little details, and then I'm gonna paint the eyes, do the little nose with the pink felt, do the little details on the little feet and the ears with a little bit of pink, and then time to glue it together. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, I love it. Let's do this. Let's try to do okay, I'm gonna put the ears there, but on the picture I put the ears at the front, but I'm gonna glue them at the back because I think it's gonna look better. So let me find the position. I think that's upside down. Oops. Yep, I think I'm happy with that. Let's do the little nose. So we get a little bit of pink felt, and they got like cute little noses. Oh, so squidgy and cute. And I think I am happy with that. Oh, so cute. Now that I've done the nose, I think I'm happy with that. I'm gonna do the little eyes. I'm doing them with the brush, but you don't have to, because I think like permanent marker or Uniposcas markers, they will do the job. I just like to use it, and I've got fabric paint. I just need to use it. So I just like to do them with the brush. And we do the little highlight. Oh, I'm happy with them. Really happy with them. And to do the inside the ears, I'm gonna start with the shape with the template of the ears, and then I'm gonna trim it down. I'm happy with that. Oh, look at them. Oh, look at that. I am so happy with them. And it's hot glue time. Ha! Let's stick those things down. Okay, I'm really pleased with the bunny. It looks extremely cute. Oh, look at this little bunny. Little bunny. By bunny will not be a bunny unless he's got a fluffy tail. Let's give him a fluffy tail. Oh, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a little pom-pom, but I'm not going to use anything fancy to make like a pom-pom. So all I'm going to do is I've got my pencil case and I've got this lovely wool. Oh, so soft, so cool. And I'm going to wrap the wool around the box this way because I don't want it too big. So but I want it full. So I'm going to wrap it around several times. Cool. I think that will do. Let's cut it there. Let's cut a string. I'm sliding this off the box and I'm going to tie in the middle. Don't have to be too precise. Here it is. And then I'm going to use my big scissors, cut the end bits. So, okay, we've got a little ball. I'm going to still trim it. It's gonna get messy and fluff everywhere. So fluffy and chunky. Okay, I've got my tail. Let's get rid of some fluffiness. And I'm gonna glue it there. That's where the little tail is going to go. Oh, look at that! Phew, all this fluff. So we've got our tail, and now what I'm going to do is attach something to just keep it close, nice and snug. I have all these little flowers that I made on my other video, and they are all crochet. So if you want to know how to make them, check my other video out. And what I'm going to do, I'm gonna pick one. Think I'm gonna use the yellow. I made these is a crochet chain, and basically all I'm going to do is I think that is going to be enough to keep keep it closed. So I'm gonna glue this just there. Let's stick it down good and proper. And I'm going to glue the flower on top. And here we go. And you close it and you open it. And he's got little sweeties. Let's put the sweets inside. Let's put the chocolate. Oh, oh, can fit quite a bit. And there you have it. And you've got a nice, cute idea to just give the children a little Easter treat. And he's a cute little bunny. Oh, I'm loving it. It's just so cute. And you can decorate it even more if you want to. But I like it. I like it. And I've used a little bit of makeup to do the little cheeks. Ah, so pleased. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive the notification on when the next video is out. And also make sure you check all of the other creative souls on the Claire's Crafty Corners playlist, the Easter playlist, so you can find probably other ideas that can inspire you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care for now. Bye bye.